Hi, this is Cheryl, Jim Smolich Motors. Today we have a 1997 3/4 ton Chevy pickup truck. This has got the 5.7 liter V8, custom grill guard. Check out those wheels. It's an extended cab, cloth interior, power windows, power door locks, automatic transmission. It's got a Sony aftermarket stereo system. I think this truck could be great for somebody looking for their first pickup truck. Affordably priced. It's got a tow package, aftermarket exhaust system, dual exhaust. It's a Z71 off-road package. If you'd like more information on this beauty, give me a call. My cell phone number is 541-480-8629. We'd like to see this truck in your driveway.